Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to create an animated design in Canva. Canva is a versatile design tool that allows stunning graphic designs, presentation, and even animations. In this video, we'll show you how to use Canva to create animated design that will grab your audience attention. So let's get started. And once you're logged into your Canva account, you need to select this on top right, create a design. And by selecting that, you need to scroll down and select this animated social media. Just click on it. Well, Canva offers a range of animated formats, including GIFs, videos, and social media posts. You can simply just click on elements, and here you can select all of these stickers, graphics, and many more. The next step is to add your content. You can use Canva's vast library of design elements, including images, icons, and illustration to create your design. Or you can also upload your own images and graphics to this one just by clicking on upload and then select your file. Now first let's add some text by using the headline. I'm going to place on top it here. Now let's add some animation to this one. You can simply just click on this button for the animation. Once you click here, you will have all of these templates for the animation. If you see, if I just click on it, it will apply this animation. And if you hover over these animation, it will automatically show you how the animation will look like. Once you select this animation, it will have some of the options. Now it will ask you for the animation where you want it to be. The first option is both, and the second one is on enter, and the other one is on exit. Let's select the both option, so it will show our animation at the start, at the end as well. So if you play this video, you can see there's a stop, and now it's gone. Now let's put it back to our video, just right here. Now let's go to the elements. You can use these graphics. And add it on here. You can use this option to resize your graphics. Let's put it right here. Now if I play this video, you can see they are moving. Now let's reduce the size to just 5 seconds. You can also increase or decrease the size just by using this slider. You can also make an subscribe animation with this one. Just here in elements, search for the YouTube. Subscribe button. And place it in the middle. Now let's add some of the elements here as well by using the stickers. Now let's add this sticker here. Now let's resize it. I'm going to take a copy of this and paste it right here. Now I'm going to flip this just like that, and I'm going to place it here. Now let's animate this. Just click on it, click on animate, and use these template. Now select the animate to the both and play the video. And there you have it. Also you can add the text. You can also write your text. You can use this option to make all it uppercase. use the bold option. Now let's group both of these and add the animation to this. Now let's use this rise animation and just click on it and hit on both. There you have it. Now let's play the video again. Now let's add some of the background to this. You can simply just click on elements and here select the lines and shape. Select this one. Now let's right click here. I'm going to arrange it and send it to back. Now select this, change the color. And now let's use this one. Once your animation is completed, now it's time to export it. To export that, just click on File and click on Download. Here you can select your file type. The MP4 version is good. Let's stick with this one. If you want to convert it into GIF, you can also check this option. Now let's click on Download. And there you have it. It's taking some time to process it. And there you have it. Now open up your animation that you made. And that's it. In just few easy steps, you have learned how to create an animated design in Canva. With Canva's vast library of design elements and animation effects, you will be able to create stunning animations that will grab your audience attention. Well, if you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.